Hey, my name is Rob, and I am going to record all of the projects that I create with AI tools. Specifically, I'm using this one called Devin. I'm also using ChatGPT because ChatGPT can kind of keep it in like down the path that you want to go, for me at least. So I made a prompt for ChatGPT already, and I'll share this below. I'll just add like a text file or something. Launch videos. Okay, so here's the prompt it's giving me. Select folder. So copy. I'm just going to use this free one. It works great. I mean, all right, so there it goes. So now I can just control click and it'll open up like in my local window. And I'll take a screenshot of the whole page. This is just my process. You can do whatever you want. And then I will upload this. And then I'm going to show it to ChatGPT. And it's going to say, awesome. Let's see, the structure is correct. Recommend making the hero dramatically larger and make the rest of the page feel more like content sections than equal weight cards. So copy, paste it in here, Control V, paste, enter. This is so easy, it's insane. Watch the journey, latest video. Ooh, okay, cool. All right, so building the home base, this will be the first video right here. And it's, let's see. So I'm just gonna screenshot it. I don't like I would have said, tell Devin, like, hey, this text is messed up or whatever, pushed too far to the left. Can you fix it? I've learned to not do that because that's why I use ChatGPT, because it will be like, sure, I can fix it. And it'll fix like 20 other things. Looks great. Thank you for your help. Always be nice to your AI friends because you don't know when they're going to take over. Some of the text areas are pushed to one side. So I'll just paste this over here. It's kind of addicting, I'll be honest. Oh yeah, there we go. It just centered it, but that'll work. So now I want to also see what it looks like on, like what it would be a mobile. Oh, we are good. So now I'm going to say, let's back this up to GitHub. Let's see what it does. Yep, there it is. Okay. So I need to connect it to Vercel though. VERCEL, that's what I want to use. Dashboard. Add new project. Import Git. There we go. Import. Nice. Oh, it worked. Okay, it's there. I just wasn't being patient enough. And I'm going to just go ahead and close Vercel now because we don't need it. Remember, I want to create downloadable, is that even a word? Download text file of the main prompts we use for this. Here is the last result from Devin. Ooh, I can't spell today. Just because it's so late. I'm tired. Episodes, yeah, we'll do that. For episode 1. I would now populate the prompt file with the actual prompts used. There it is. Okay. So it's got separated, actual prompt. Let me go all the way to the bottom to see what added these last few. Safely update the prompt paragraph. Okay, perfect. So we did it in 10 prompts. Looks like we built the site with 10 prompts, built and polished. Now I need a YouTube title, description, and tags. Now, using all of your knowledge, this build process, and the screenshots I've shared, I need you to create the best thumbnail image possible. There it is. Yeah, let's use this one. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for following along. I hope you made it this far. And this will be the thumbnail. And I will post this. I guess I have to edit the video. Hopefully tonight I'll post this. It is Sunday, the 7th, June 7th, 2026. All right. I'll see you in the next episode.